Today we learn how to solve quadratic equation by completing square method. Practice set 2.3 first example. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now by completing square method we'll apply one formula. If x square, first two terms we have to consider, x square plus x, we have to find the third term of the quadratic equation, let it be k, is equal to whatever variable x plus a bracket square. Then we'll get x square plus x plus k is equal to, expand this, a plus b bracket square, x square plus 2ax plus a square. Now comparing the coefficient, comparing the coefficient of equality, coefficient, we get coefficient of x and this is constant term. So here coefficient of x is 1 is equal to 2a. Here coefficient of x is 2a. Here and constant term k is equal to a square. Therefore here we will get 1 upon 2 is equivalent to a. A is equal to 1 upon 2 and k is equal to a square, which is equal to 1 upon 2 square. Value of a here at the place of a. Therefore k is equal to 1 upon 4. Now this value of k we have to add and subtract our equation. Let this be equation 1 first. So now add and subtract, add and subtract value of k on left hand side of given equation first. So therefore adding and subtracting x square plus x, add 1 upon 4, subtract 1 upon 4. So the value of the equality doesn't changes, is equal, minus 20 is equal to 0. Now this part is a complete square and this part we have to simplify. So here x square plus x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to, this will be a complete square. Square root of x square is x plus square root of 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2 bracket square. When you will expand, you will get this value. Here minus 1, cross multiply, 20 into 4 is minus 18 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square minus 81, minus 1 minus 8 is minus 81 upon 4 is equal to 80. Therefore x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square is equal to 81 upon 4. Now both LHS and RHS are the complete square. So taking square root of both sides, taking square root on both sides, we get x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 81 is 9 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 upon 2 plus minus 9 upon 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus minus 9, denominator same, upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus 9 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 1 minus 9 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus 9 is 8 upon 2, which is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 10 upon 2, which is equal to minus 5. Therefore, our roots are, solution is 4 comma minus 5. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Practice set 2.3, third example. M square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. So first arrange in the order. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So m square minus 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now by completing square method, we'll apply the formula. If your variable is m, so you should consider m square, you have to take this two terms, first two terms minus 5m, you have to find the third term, let it be equal to k, is equal to, your variable is m, so m plus a bracket square. Therefore, then we'll get n square minus 5m plus k is equal to m square plus 2am plus a square. These both the equations are in variable m. So comparing the coefficient, we get, now here m square will get cancelled. So coefficient of this 2a, we get 2a is equal to minus 5. 2a is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to a square. Therefore, a is equal to minus 5 upon 2 and value of k will be equal to a square, which is equal to minus 5 upon 2 bracket square. Therefore, your value of k will be 25 upon 4. So add and subtract value of k on LHS of given equation. Now left hand side of this given equation first. Let us, so LHS m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4 minus 25 upon 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this much part is the complete square, and here this we have to simplify. So m square root of m square is m, middle term is negative, so here it will be minus. Square root of 25 upon 4 is 5 upon 2 bracket square. If you simplify this, you will get this answer. Now here cross multiply, minus 25, 4 3s are plus 12 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 5 upon 2 bracket square minus 25 plus 12 is minus 13 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 5 bracket minus 5 upon 2 bracket square is equal to 13 upon 4. Taking square root on both sides, taking square roots on both sides, we get m minus 5 upon 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 13 is root 13 upon square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, m is equal to 5 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 will jump, it will become plus 5 upon 2 minus plus minus root 13 upon 2, which is equal to 5 plus minus root 13 upon 2. That is, m roots are m is equal to 5 plus root 13 upon 2, or m is equal to 5 minus root 13 upon 2. These are the roots of quadratic equations. Fourth example, 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here, first we should check whether the coefficient of quadratic term is 1. If it is other than 1, then we should make it 1. So here, coefficient of quadratic term is 9. So divide given equation, divide equation by 9. So dividing the entire equation by 9, we will get here 9y square minus 12 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. That is dividing by 9. 9 will get cancelled. Therefore, y square minus, here we produce the lowest form, 3 4s are 3 3s are 9y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Now we'll apply the first method which we applied in the previous examples. So if y square minus 4 upon 3y plus k is equal to, now your variable is y, so y plus a bracket square. Therefore, we'll get here y square minus 4 upon 3y plus k is equal to, expand this, y plus a bracket square, y square plus 2ay plus a square. Now comparing the coefficients, here y square will get cancelled. Comparing the coefficients, we get 2a is equal to minus 4 upon 3 and k is equal to a square. Therefore, a will be equivalent to minus 4 upon 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 2 will get divided, 2 ones are, which is equal to minus 2 upon 3. And value of k will be equal to a square, that is minus 2 upon 3 bracket square. Therefore, k will be equal to 4 upon 9. Value of k is 4 upon 9. Now add value of k, add and subtract value of k on LHS of given equation first. Now this is our equation first. In this equation, we'll add and subtract the value of k. So here y square minus 4 upon 3y, y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Now this is the complete square. So we can write this square root of y is y. Middle term minus, so here also minus sign. If it is plus, then plus. And here square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3 bracket square. Denominator is same. So minus 4 plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Denominator is same. Minus 4 plus 2 upon 9. Therefore, y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square minus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square is equal to 2 upon 9. So taking square root on both sides, we get y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus minus root 2 upon 3. Square root of 2 is root 2, square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2 upon 3 plus minus root 2 upon 3. Denominator is same, so we can write this as 2 plus minus root 2 upon 3. Therefore, the roots are y is equal to 2 plus root 2 upon 3, or y is equal to 2 minus root 2 upon 3. Last example. 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. Therefore, first arrange in the order x square plus 3x plus c. 5x square, this will jump, 4x will jump here, it will become minus 4x, plus 7 will jump, it will become minus 7 is equal to 0. To solve quadratic equation by completing square method, should check the coefficient of quadratic term. Now here coefficient of quadratic term is other than 1. So divide this equation by 5. So divide given equation by 5. So you will get x square, 5 will get cancelled, minus 4 upon 5x minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. Now we start solving by completing square method. So here if x square minus 4 upon 5x, we get here third term, let it be k, plus k is equal to x plus a bracket square. Then we get x square, expand right hand side, minus 4 upon 5x plus k is equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square. Now here x square from this equality will get cancelled. Now we'll compare the coefficient. So comparing the coefficients, we get therefore 2a is equal to minus 4 upon 5 and k is equal to a square. Therefore, a is equal to minus 4 upon 5 into 2. It's 2 ones are, 2 twos are, that is minus 2 upon 5. And k will be equal to a square. A is how much? Now minus 2 upon 5 bracket square. Therefore, k will be equivalent to 4 upon 2 square is 4 and 5 square is 25. So this value of k will add and subtract in this equation number first, which is given. So add and subtract value of k in give value of k on left hand side LHS of given equation first. So here we'll add and subtract. So x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 minus 4 upon 25 minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. Now these three terms are the complete square. This part is complete square and this part we have to simplify. So here this we can write as square root of x square is x, middle term is negative, so take middle term minus square root of 4 2 square root of 25 5 bracket square. Now here take the LCM is 25, so we'll get here minus 4 7 5s are 35, LCM taking the LCM upon 5 25 is equal to 0. That is, we'll get x minus 2 upon 5 bracket square minus 39 upon 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 2 upon 5 bracket square is equal to 39 upon 25. Now taking square root on both sides, will get x minus 2 upon 5 is equal to plus minus root 39 upon 5. That is, x is equal to minus 2 upon 5 will jump plus 2 upon 5 plus minus root 39 upon 5, which is equal to 2 plus minus root 39 upon 5. Denominator same, common denominator. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to 2 plus root 39 upon 5, or x is equal to 2 minus root 39 upon